Dr. Muhammad Yunus stands as one of Bangladesh's most illustrious sons, a visionary whose work has not only transformed lives within his homeland, but also ignited a global movement against poverty. Recognizing and promoting Dr. Yunus as Bangladesh's greatest asset offers the nation a unique opportunity to shape its international identity, inspire pride at home, and leverage his legacy for economic, social, and diplomatic gains. To understand how Bangladesh can best brand and share Dr. Yunus's story with the world, it is essential to explore his achievements, the profound impact of his work, global precedents in branding national icons, and strategies for maximizing the benefits of his unparalleled contributions. Dr. Muhammad Yunus is best known as the founder of Grameen Bank and the architect of modern microfinance. His journey began in the 1970s when, as an economics professor at Chittagong University, he witnessed the devastating effects of poverty firsthand. Determined to make a difference, he lent a small amount of money, just $27, to a group of impoverished women, enabling them to buy materials for their crafts. This simple act laid the foundation for a revolutionary idea: that access to credit could empower the poor to lift themselves out of poverty. The Grameen Bank, established in 1983, institutionalized this concept. Unlike traditional banks, Grameen focused on the unbanked, especially women, offering small, collateral-free loans. The results were remarkable. By 2024, Grameen Bank had lent billions of dollars to millions of borrowers, with a repayment rate consistently above 95%. The bank's model has been replicated in more than 100 countries, adapting to diverse contexts from rural Africa to inner-city America. Dr. Yunus's work has garnered global recognition. In 2006, he and Grameen Bank were jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, cited for their efforts to create economic and social development from below. He has received the United States Presidential Medal of Freedom, the Congressional Gold Medal, and the World Food Prize, among countless other honors. Universities worldwide have awarded him honorary degrees, and he has been named among Time magazine's 100 most influential people. His books, including Banker to the Poor, have inspired millions, and his concept of social business has opened new avenues for addressing social challenges through entrepreneurship. The impact of Dr. Yunus's work on poverty alleviation in Bangladesh is profound. Microfinance has enabled millions, particularly women, to start small businesses, educate their children, and improve their living standards. Studies have shown that access to microcredit increases household income, improves nutrition, and enhances children's school attendance. The Grameen model has contributed to Bangladesh's remarkable progress in reducing extreme poverty, raising literacy rates, and empowering women. Beyond economics, it has fostered a sense of agency and dignity among the marginalized. Globally, the Yunus model has inspired a movement. Organizations like Kiva, BRAC, and Opportunity International have adapted microfinance principles, reaching millions more. The World Bank and United Nations have endorsed microfinance as a key tool for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Dr. Yunus's advocacy for social business, ventures that prioritize social impact over profit, has influenced corporate strategies and philanthropic initiatives worldwide. Other countries have successfully branded and promoted their prominent figures to enhance their international image. India, for instance, has elevated Mahatma Gandhi as a global symbol of peace and nonviolence, integrating his legacy into diplomatic outreach and cultural diplomacy. South Africa has celebrated Nelson Mandela as an icon of reconciliation and resilience, attracting tourism, investment, and international goodwill. The United States has leveraged figures like Martin Luther King Jr. and Steve Jobs to project values of innovation and social justice. Even in the corporate world, companies like Apple and Tesla have built their brands around visionary leaders, using their stories to inspire loyalty and shape public perception. Bangladesh can draw valuable lessons from these examples. To effectively promote Dr. Yunus and his contributions, a multifaceted strategy is essential. First, the government and private sector can collaborate to create a Yunus brand, encompassing educational campaigns, cultural events, and international forums. Museums, exhibitions, and documentaries can showcase his life and work, both within Bangladesh and abroad. Partnerships with universities and think tanks can foster research and dialogue on microfinance and social business, positioning Bangladesh as a global hub for innovation and poverty reduction. Second, Bangladesh can integrate Dr. Yunus's legacy into its diplomatic efforts. Embassies and consulates can host seminars, sponsor scholarships, and facilitate exchanges centered on microfinance and social entrepreneurship. Celebrating Yunus Day globally could raise awareness and generate goodwill. The government can nominate Dr. Yunus for international honors and encourage his participation in global initiatives, further amplifying his and Bangladesh's voice on the world stage. Third, the private sector can play a vital role. Bangladeshi companies can highlight their roots in the Grameen model, attracting impact investors and ethical consumers. Social enterprises can partner with international organizations to scale Grameen-inspired initiatives, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Tourism boards can develop Yunus trails, inviting visitors to experience the communities transformed by microfinance. At the national level, recognition of Dr. Yunus has been mixed. While he is celebrated by many as a national hero, official recognition has sometimes been lacking or inconsistent. He has received the Independence Day Award, Bangladesh's highest civilian honor, but at times has faced criticism or marginalization from political leaders. There are currently no major national museums, monuments, or annual celebrations dedicated to his legacy. This presents both a challenge and an opportunity. By embracing Dr. Yunus as a unifying symbol, Bangladesh can bridge divides and project a positive, forward-looking image. The potential economic, social, and diplomatic benefits of promoting Dr. Yunus are significant. Economically, branding Bangladesh as the birthplace of microfinance and social business can attract investment, foster entrepreneurship, and boost exports of financial services and technology. Socially, celebrating Dr. Yunus can inspire young Bangladeshis to pursue innovation and social impact, strengthening national identity and pride. Diplomatically, his global stature can enhance Bangladesh's soft power, enabling it to punch above its weight in international forums and negotiations. However, any branding strategy must address controversies and criticisms surrounding Dr. Yunus. Some have questioned the long-term impact of microfinance, citing cases of indebtedness or insufficient poverty reduction. In Bangladesh, political tensions have at times led to efforts to downplay his achievements. It is crucial to acknowledge these debates openly, emphasizing the evidence-based successes of the Grameen model while remaining transparent about its limitations. By positioning Dr. Yunus as a catalyst for ongoing innovation rather than a static symbol, Bangladesh can foster constructive dialogue and continuous improvement. Public perception of Dr. Yunus is generally positive, both within Bangladesh and internationally, though it varies by context. Among the global development community, he is revered as a pioneer. In Bangladesh, many admire his achievements, but political divisions have sometimes influenced public discourse. Surveys indicate that awareness of his work remains high, especially among educated and urban populations, but more can be done to engage rural communities and the younger generation. In conclusion, Dr. Muhammad Yunus represents a unique asset for Bangladesh, an individual whose vision and achievements have changed the world. By embracing his legacy, investing in strategic branding, and fostering inclusive dialogue, Bangladesh can project a powerful narrative of innovation, resilience, and hope. The story of Dr. Yunus is not just a testament to what one person can achieve, but a beacon for what a nation, united in purpose, can offer to the world.